everyone, welcome again to another cooking class. So today we are going to be making mini muffins that are with our pancake mix. And so it's going to be really fun. So at first I want to show you all of the ingredients that we're going to be using today. So I have for my pancake mix the Kodiak cakes, and these are really great for extra protein. So I really recommend getting a high protein pancake batter, but whatever you guys have is more than perfect for these little mini muffins. And so then the next thing, so to make the batter, what we do is we just do it just like regular pancake mix. We have 1 cup of the batter, and then we have 1 cup, and I like to use milk just for a little bit extra protein, and then I put in an egg and then I mix it up together. Otherwise you can just use 1 cup of the pancake batter and then 1 cup of water, and that works just fine. And then we also have cooking spray for our mini muffin pan, so that the muffins don't stick. Because we're not going to use little baby liners, we're just going to have it be right on the pan. And then next we're going to have any fruit toppings that you'd like to put inside your muffin. So I have a banana, I have some strawberries, I have some blueberries, and I have some special sprinkles. So any ingredient that you guys would like to use, more than welcome. You could do chocolate chips, you could do peanut butter, anything that you would like to add into your little baby muffins, you can do. So now let's go ahead and let's get started. And remember, chefs, what do we do first? We always have to wash our hands before we touch any of our food. So we'll do that. Okay, just go ahead. Okay, so very first thing I'm going to do, and I asked an adult already, but you guys need to ask an adult, make sure that they know what you're doing too, because we're going to be using the oven. So I'm going to head over to the oven, I'm going to go beep boop, and set it to 350 degrees, and then have that started so that by the time I'm ready to put my muffins inside, it's already warm. So next I'm going to take my pan, I'm going to shake up the spray, get it all in the little muffin pan so that they don't stick. And so like I said, guys, I've already mixed up my pancake mix, but remember it was 1 cup of the pancake batter, and then 1 cup I used milk, but you could use water, you could use whatever you would like. And so next, guys, what I'm going to do is I like to take 1/4 of a cup like this, and I like to scoop it into my little cup here. And then because these are so tiny, I really like to just kind of go like this, because we're only filling these little trays halfway, because remember we're going to add our little special ingredients that we'd like. So you fill up all of the little pans halfway. But remember, guys, and I have like this mini one where they're super tiny. If you only have a traditional muffin tin, you know, the one that's only 6 cups, no worries, same thing, right? You're just gonna make bigger muffins. So don't worry technically about the size of the pan. It's just cutesy to have like the little mini ones. And I'm not gonna do all of my little mini ones. I'm only gonna do half. So we're only gonna do this side. Okay. now that all of them on this side are full, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my fruit. So what I did, I cut up my bananas into little banana slices, and then I have my blueberries, and they're just regular size. And then I cut up my strawberries into little tiny pieces, because remember, these are mini, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go bloop, 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 pop a few blueberries and a couple tins. Runaway blueberry. And then I'm gonna take some strawberries, put some strawberries in one. Then I'm gonna take some bananas. I'm gonna put the bananas in one. Bananas in another one. Now I'm gonna be creative. I'm gonna put a little blueberry, strawberry, and a banana. Let's do a few blueberries, strawberries, blueberries, banana, and then, what am I missing? Oh, that's right, the sprinkles! I can't forget about that one. Put some sprinkles on top of these last three. Okay. So now that they're all ready, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna very carefully take the sides. I'm gonna open up the oven. I'm gonna make sure that it's all the way down so I don't touch any of this, because remember guys, it's hot, right? So I'm gonna put it right in the middle of the oven. I'm gonna put it back. And then I'm gonna set my timer for 15 minutes. Okay, and so then while we're waiting, you guys can clean up the kitchen, clean up your mess, get ready, because after they come out, guess what's next? You're gonna let them cool, and then you're gonna get to enjoy them. Okay guys, almost time, almost ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my oven mitt ready to go. And remember guys, it's really, really hot, so just be very, very careful when you are getting out your pan. And then, like I said, I'm gonna put it on the top of the stove because I want it to be ready for cooling right here. And so this is actually my second batch, guys. So I have my final product right here, as you can see. So yours are gonna turn out just like this, and look at how delicious the sprinkles one looks. I hope you guys had fun making our mini pancake muffins. And remember guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe for more videos, and also turn on your notifications so you know a new video is out and ready for you to watch. Until next time guys, bye-bye.